In this video, we have Realme C61 smartphone, and today I'll show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature of this smartphone. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. Firstly, let's talk about this dynamic button feature. So with the help of this feature, you can do a lot with the power button in this smartphone. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on special features. There you will see the option of dynamic button. Click on this and then enable this. Now the first one is double tap power button, and here it is selected to change sound mode. So if you will double tap, and it will change your sound to vibration mode. Here you can see if I'm double pressing, it is changing to vibration mode. If you want to change it, you can also change to other features like turn on or off, do not disturb mode, etc. The second one is double press power button. So if I will double press the power button, it will open the camera application. If you want to also change it, you can also do this. Click on this and here you can select your favorite action you want to trigger, or you can also select any application. So if you will double press your power button, it will open that application. The third one is swipe up or down on power button. Now if you will swipe like this, it will increase or decrease the volume, or you can select swipe down or up screen, etc. I have selected swipe up down on screen. Now if I will swipe like this on the volume button, it will swipe the page like this. So with the help of this dynamic button, you can do a lot with the help of this power button. You must enable this dynamic button feature and enjoy these features. Every time you will open the app drawer, it will open that search box and this keyboard as well. If you want to disable this, then tap and hold on the home screen and then click on more, click on app drawer setting and then disable these three functions. Now if you will open the app drawer, it won't open that search box and you will be able to use your app drawer very cleanly. If you want to see the deleted messages from WhatsApp, Instagram, etc., you don't have to download any third-party app. Open your settings, scroll down and then click on notifications. There you will see the option of notification history. Enable use notification history. Now if someone will message you, it will save all the messages here, and even if he or she will delete it, you will be able to see those messages here. To get the clear and crisp voice on the call, you must enable the next feature. Open your settings, scroll down and then click on special features. There you will see the option of ear noise reduction call. Click on this and then enable this. Now during voice call or video call, it will disable or reduce the background noise and give you a crisp and clear calling experience. By default, this phone doesn't show battery percentage in your status bar. To enable this, open your settings, scroll down and then click on battery. There you will see the option of battery percentage. Enable this, then it will start showing battery percentage in your status bar. Now let's talk about some amazing screen of gestures. Open your settings, scroll down and then click on smart control. There you will see the option of screen of gesture. Firstly, enable screen of gesture, then enable the first one, double tap to wake screen. Now when your screen is locked, you can double tap to wake your screen like this. The second one is draw a V to turn on flashlight. If you will enable this, and when your screen is locked, you can simply draw a V, it will turn on your flashlight, and if you will draw it again, it will disable your flashlight. The third one is draw an O to open camera. If you will enable this, and now if your screen is locked, if you will draw an O, it will automatically open your camera application like this. So you must enable these three screen of gesture to use your phone more efficiently. If you want to lock your application, you don't have to download any third-party app. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on special features. Scroll down and there you will see the option of app lock. Click on this. Now click on got it and enable app lock. You have to set a privacy password. You can set a 6-digit password or you can use a different password type. Here I select pattern, draw a pattern and then confirm your pattern. Answer a security question and then click on done. Now select the app you want to lock. And now whenever you will open this application, it will ask for that privacy password. So that's how you can lock any application in this smartphone. You can also hide any app in this smartphone. Again, open your settings, scroll down and then click on special features. There you will see the option of hide apps. Firstly, you have to set a privacy password. As we have already done this, simply draw your privacy password and select the app you want to hide. Here I want to hide my calculator, and then you have to set an access code to access your hidden apps. Click on settings, But keep in mind, you have to start your access code with hash and also end it with hash. Click on done. And if you want to access your hidden apps, simply open your dialer and then type your access code like this. So that's how you can hide your application in this smartphone. If you don't want this app drawer and you want all your apps on your home screen, then tap and hold on the home screen, click on more and then click on home screen mode. By default it is selected to drawer mode. You can select the standard mode. Now all the application will come to your home screen and it will disable the drawer mode. If you want to clone any application or create a dual app, then open your settings, scroll down and then click on apps. There you will see the option of cloned app. Click on this and then select the app you want to clone. Then click on create. It will take few seconds and after that it will create the clone of this application. As you can see, I have 2 Facebooks now and you can log in with 2 different accounts with the help of this app cloner feature. If you're using this phone for gaming, then you must enable the next feature. Open your settings, scroll down and then click on smart control. There you will see the option of AI boost and then enable AI boost. Here you will see the option of game boost. Click on this. This will boost your smartphone and give you the best experience for gaming. You can also hide any photo or video in this smartphone. Open your settings and then click on special functions. Scroll down to the bottom and then click on private save. Firstly, you have to set a privacy password. As we have already done this, simply draw your privacy password and then select the photo or video you want to hide and you will be able to hide it here. You can use 2 applications at the same time in a single smartphone. Simply open the apps you want to use and put these 2 applications in recents. Now open the recents and then click the 3 dots and then click on split screen. Now select the second app you want to use. As you can see, you will be able to use 2 applications at the same time in a single screen. If you want to change the position of these 3 button navigation, you can also do this. Open your settings, scroll down to the bottom and then click on system. There you will see the option of navigation bar. Now there are 4 options. You can select your favorite one and after this it will change the position of these 3 buttons. If you want to enable the double tap to lock your screen feature, then open your settings, scroll down and then click on display. Click on lock screen and then enable double tap to lock. And now whenever you are on home screen, simply double tap on the empty area. It will lock your screen and you can double tap to wake your screen up. If you will long press your power button, then it will open the Google Assistant app instead of your power menu. So if you want to change it to power menu, you can follow these steps. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on system. There you will see the option of gestures. Click on this and then click on press and hold power button. By default it is selected to digital assistant. You have to select power menu. Now if you will long press your power button, it will open your power menu. If you want to change this 3 button navigation to gesture navigation, simply open your settings, click on system and then click on gestures. Click on navigation mode. By default it is selected to 3 button navigation. Select the gesture navigation. You can fully customize this status bar. Open your settings, scroll down and then click on special features. There you will see the option of mini capsule. So you can here select battery status, your weather, your steps status and your data usage, etc. So it will show all these details just like your iPhone. As you can see in the picture, it is showing, it will show all the data around your front camera. If you use your phone at night a lot, then you must enable these 2 features. The first one is night light. If you will enable this, it will turn the colors little warmer, so it will reduce the strain on your eye. The second one is dark theme. If you will enable this, then it will turn all the whites into blacks and it will also reduce the strain on your eye. So you must enable these 2 features if you use your phone at night a lot. If you want to monitor your screen time, then tap and hold on the home screen, click on widgets. There you will see the option of digital well-being. Click on this, tap and hold it and drag and drop on home screen. You can also resize this. It will show how much time you have spent on your phone. You can also record your screen in the smartphone. Open your status bar and then control panel. There you will see the option of screen record. Click on this. You can select if you want to record your audio or just the video and if you want to show those little touches or not. And after this, click on start and then it will start recording your screen. As you can see, it will start showing this red button on your status bar. In your camera application, you must enable this feature. Open your settings and there you will see the option of dynamic button action. Enable this. Now you can zoom in by swiping up like this on the power button. As you can see, it is zooming, and if you want to zoom out, simply swipe down on the power button. and you can just tap on the power button to click a photo and it will click the photo. So you must enable this dynamic button feature in your camera application. So these were some tips and tricks and hidden feature of Realme C61 5G smartphone. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.